Releasing dopamine. What's up, guys? Boy Sinus coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, your boy Sinus there. This is not a normal video today. Just want to give you an update. Telling you guys what's been happening and thing, cause most of you guys know that I'm doing a lot of road shows, and so with Digicel, who is my sponsor, hence the reason fewer content being uploaded. And I know that kind of affect the algorithm and thing, you know, and the views and thing. And I've been trying to work to balance both, you know what I mean, personal life, YouTube, and those of you who don't know, my second page, my gaming page, that are pretty much going hard to try and get monetized. It's like starting over back a channel from scratch and things. So when you know something, I put in the work, you know, and thing. Why 2021 year update, let me give you guys. Why the year, yeah, I don't know, it, you know, start to great still, you know. A lot of things been happening in my life and thing, and I just want to share with you, because you don't know a vlog. We're there, just a vlog, and we just a chill and just a talk, you know. Boy, to be honest, my vibes kind of broke with a lot of things, and I'm a man of faith, trust me, and prayer and thing. But right now my vibes kind of broke because, yo, one, my cousin, who is on my side of the family, my father's side, one died, so I have to deal with death right now. Two, another cousin of mine who is like 13 years old, they pretty much take her away and rape her, and right now she in the hospital, and she had to deal with a lot. And based on what them I say, yo, is like a 4-man raper and drugger and them thing there, you know. And then when Miss Sinus there, if you guys don't know, Miss Sinus are the wife and thing, she kinda in that area there, where them thing there, not really in the area, but a part of the big, you know what I mean, community that's surrounded that area. So I kinda worry about her and thing. And then apparently I don't know, one of your friend them, something must have happened, and they must have can't find her or something like that, and them not hear back from her none at all. So I don't know what going on, because I never hear back from Miss Sinus. I said, I guess she fall asleep or she worried and things, so I kinda worry about that too, you know. And yesterday, also before I do a road show, one of the bus them get in a very bad accident, and it's one of the bus them or me where look like exactly the bus of me did in a pretty much, and one of the vehicle them catch a fire and stuff, and it's not our driver, it's not the driver fault, it's just crazy people on the road that drive, you know. Yeah, it's just, yeah, I'm just there all I worry about the channel too, you know what I mean, uploading the channel, you know, the regular thing about life, how we can expand the thing, how we can, new ideas. But one of the big things then for me is just finding the balance with the timing. It takes a lot of energy to do all of this, you know. You know, come home from a tour, start stream in the night, Boom bang bang, spend time with me sinus, which is a must. Wake up back in the morning. If I don't, you know what I mean? It's just a lot. You know what I mean? Not saying I have a problem still, don't get me wrong. I don't have a problem with the work, because the work I have to do. But it's just a lot of things that happen. ENT members, God knows. I not even stream yesterday. The way my vibes, it kind of broke me. Just tired. Because I'm not been sleeping as long as I used to sleep. I wake up after 4. And some other little things been happening too. But I just try flesh out and just find back the balance, and then sometimes my anxiety kind of flare up still and it bother me. You know. So that's pretty much it. All of them little things have been happening, my vibes broke. But I'm not gonna stop the work doing it, but you know, you just want to cool out and just clear your mind. Yeah. That's how I feel right now. I just want to cool out, clear my mind, and just get back that peace there. And just get rid of all of that stress there. You know what I mean? I don't like stressing. I mean, it's a free-spirited man. You know what I mean? The type of person. If there's an issue, I just like to fix the issue and keep it moving so everything can just be sorted out and thing. So all of them little things they are going ENT members, but I not give up. As me telling them, I'm there. I put in the work and thing. Today all Mackie birthday and thing. Big up Mackie, my brother. Boom boom boom, Mackie Sinus, FIFA champion for Sinus game, and big up on yourself. And I always see him on the vlog them and thing. Big up yourself, Mackie. Straight love, my brother from another mother and thing. All that time now my vibes all broke right now, cause I think about money to and all them thing there, you know what I mean? And back a little things, you know, cause bills have to pay. You know what I mean? Boy, since this corona thing come out, it kind of mash up a lot of things. A lot of things, bruh. But yeah, I could go and hold the faith. Still, even though my vibes broke, and think I just try to push through all of this. And think I just want to pray for me. Keep me on the prayer, cause all of this kind of getting overwhelming and thing as much as I am strong and thing. Yeah, so thank you very much. Big up to everybody who rock with me. Day one peeps them. Big up on yourself, DVR Army, Genius, YouTubical, Miggy, Princess, Jackie. Yo, the whole I wanna know on yourself. The whole Sinus ENT member. Yo, big up my sponsors them, Digicel. Everybody, yeah man, so yeah, my day and respect and thanks for watching, and just go on journey with your boy.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow it down, we stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker. Big up the